If we haven't met before, my name's Misty and I am a manifesting coach. The last few weeks we've been talking about our goals for 2020, and yesterday I hope you had a chance to watch our year in review, mostly of my personal pictures and stories and a little bit about my Epiphany coaching. And I just can't thank everyone enough, like I said yesterday, for all the love and support that they have given us over this last year of us creating this YouTube channel. And I just want to say that we're here for you every day, Monday through Friday. Our videos go out at 5:30 in the morning, and you can always get in touch with us on our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter. We get a lot of direct messages on our Facebook at My Epiphany Coaching. You can go there and leave us a message about anything that you want to talk to us about. And we have been getting more and more questions for our Ask Misty Monday series, which of course goes out every single Monday. So if you have a question for us and you'd like for us to read it on our channel and you feel like it will benefit others, we'd love to hear from you about that. Also, I just want to say that we are going to continue our mission to help people live a more positive and abundant life. And the ways that we do that is one-on-one coaching calls. We do it with our YouTube channel right here for all of you guys. We do it through our seminars where we teach beginner meditation, the importance of breathing, affirmations, gratitude journaling, and vision boards. And so we talked a lot about vision boards this week. I've had several people that have been in my home and office that haven't been here before, and they're always blown away by all the vision boards that I have. And then the stories that come along with the vision boards of things that I have manifested in my life by using the power of visualizing, vision boards, affirmations, and gratitude journaling. And so I really feel like that is what we are going to spend the next few weeks just talking about every single day, and how to put all those things together to get exactly what you want in your life. And so I hope that you have a fabulous weekend. I know that I am going to be doing something that I am thrilled about that doesn't thrill many people. And I like to do spring cleaning early after I take down my holiday decorations because it gives me something to look forward to. A friend of ours did say a few weeks ago that it makes her sad to take down her holiday decorations, and I always look forward to it as the opportunity to move every single thing in my house to get that last pine needle from underneath the rug or the couch and just clean it, clean. And when I do that, I feel like I am creating a vacuum in my life for new and exciting things. And you know, the couple of weeks after the holidays, things seem to be a little slower in the industry that I'm in, and a lot of other people in sales and things like that, because people have already bought everything for the holidays. And so I use that as an opportunity. And so I hope that you can do something like that too. The more joy and the more fun and the more excitement that you have in your life, the more you can create that. Again, it just starts to spiral. And so, like I said, we're here for you Monday through Friday. Our videos go out at 5:30. Don't forget to reach out to us on our Facebook, our Instagram, and our Twitter. The best thing you could ever do for us right now is to leave us a comment right here on our YouTube channel, or you could always hit that like and subscribe button. That pushes us forward in the YouTube universe, and hopefully we can help more people. And if you would share this video with somebody that you know that might need to hear it today, that would be wonderful. So until Monday, happy manifesting.